This thing is about as loaded as they get.
Yeah, that's a nice Bronco.
It's got all the switches, big screen.
All right, so we're just taking a little cruise through the industrial park here.
I'm kind of stoked because this has got someone else's bad to the bone lift on it and shocks and everything. So
yeah, it is. It's kind of hard to find Bronco shocks right now. Going through our first little dip.
We're not supposed to feel that back there. That was 24.
That was 24 miles an hour.
God, it almost bottomed.
So we're coming up to our next set of bumps, and we'll do 30.
Okay. Ah! Oh, are you kidding me? That freaking bottomed.
Bottomed and bobbed.
At 30 miles an hour?
And then our rebound.
Oh, wait, that ain't right. These Broncos, they will go through stuff. They'll float through that stuff. But this thing, that's crazy. This is all set up. That should not do that.
Right. And this is tire pressure at 40 psi as well. Oh, there's so much like harshness.
Yeah, what is
and
that?
It's shaking everything. No. So you can imagine this at speed off road. You can't have speed off road. He's actually, he doesn't want to go off roading anymore.
Well, he probably drove it before he did all this and was like, yeah, this is going to be really awesome. And now he's like, what just happened to my Bronco?
Right. We want to get this customer full speed ahead off road.
Oh, I just feel bad for him. Yeah.
This is 25.
Oh yeah.
Ugh.
That actually bucked on the front too.
Yeah.
Duh.
Yep.
So have they got enough adjustability to fix that? Is there any prayer for these things?
This is our Falcon shock set up for a 37-inch tire. One of the unique things on the Bronco is it's one of the only vehicles I know of that has no external frame bump stops. All those bump loads are taken through the shock. One of the things we had to have was internal hydraulic bottom out. We had to have bearings and bolts, everything sized to take the bottom out loads that you see. Last 2 inches of stroke on the Falcons, we have a hydraulic bottom out stop that can ramp 10 times more force than what the main piston force in your regular ride height is. All right, so we have installed Falcon 3.3s. This is compression adjustable front and rear. So we're going through this first bump again. This is 30 miles an hour again, just to repeat. So,
okay, that was a non-event.
Yep.
That went through there pretty nice.
So second bump's 30 miles an hour.
Still in bottom.
Yeah. This is set up for go fast right now.
Oh, okay.
Like we are full firm right now on the compression adjuster.
So
this is
37 mile an hour.
Yep.
Do you usually run these on that firm setting when you guys are running through here? Do you?
It just depends how hard you want to drive. If you're driving hard, then full firm is the way to go.
35 again.
Yep. So we can crank it down a little bit too if you want more comfort.
It's the big difference I noticed is we're not getting that second bounce coming off the back end.
Yep.
It's funny, we go through these loops. If there's people in front of us, we have to wait for them because everybody crawls through it like, oh yeah. That was 42. That was nothing.
That is really where this kit starts shining, is like the harder you push it, the harder it likes to go.
That was quantum leaps better.